Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. Firstly, I want to thank Gordon West, his books, and his CDs, and hamstudy.org for getting me down the lane through the dark electronic woods and over the hump to passing my amateur extra exam. I need to thank the many ham YouTubers as well, many of them. There are a ton of them, and I will get around to thanking each one somewhere in my videos this year. So this fine morning, I am getting right to the task of accomplishing one of my New Year's resolutions, and that is learning how to manipulate a screen capture video application so that I can bring better content with the goal of helping a ham the way other YouTubers have helped me. So navigate to a browser window, and it's going to be all one word, guys. Parks on the Air. If I can get it in there right. So once you get it in there, hit enter, and it's going to bring you to the main site. You see lots of headings, but the most important one is the map of entities. And maybe you haven't heard this word used this way before, but entity, think of places, parks, states, countries. So we go to the map of entities, and you'll see another request for an entity. In this case, it's going to be the country. So if you're traveling, scroll down, pick the country of your travel. But if you're staying right here in the good old US of A, pick United States of America, and you'll be confronted with another list of entities. In this case, it's going to be on the right, it's going to be states. And if you're traveling again, scroll down. Or if you need to scroll down for your state, scroll down. My state begins with an A, Arizona. So go back to the top. And you move about this map. Navigate this map just the same way you do any other map, with the scroll wheel, the plus and minus buttons for zoom. Let's pick Flagstaff in this case. And you'll notice that Flagstaff doesn't have a lot of dots. But if you zoom in, more yellow dots, and those dots indicate the location, the main location of the entity, of the park. So keep in mind, your level of zoom dictates how many dots, how many entities you will see. And here it's K7637, and you're gonna see that a lot in Parks on the Air. More info gives you more info. Lat long, the entity number again, how many people have activated, how many contacts they got. Good information. Might note it's a harder park if 8 attempts have been made and only 4 activations have occurred. There might be some terrain or something that you have to consider, so that's good information to have. So back to United States of America. In my case, it's going to be Arizona. And brings up another topic. The yellow dots, if you see the dot, you might initially believe that you have to be standing on or near it in order to activate the park. But let's look at the Tonto National Monument. And it's the same with the Tonto National Forest. It's a big area, guys. So you don't have to be standing or parked or camping in just one location to activate some of these entities. Some of them are big areas. So for instance, if you activate the Boyce Arboretum, which just happens to be in the Tonto National Forest, you got a twofer. You'll hear that term a lot too. So let's go to the Agua Fria National Monument. And if you just watch my mouse move around, you'll see that it's a big area. So you're not relegated to just one little spot or one little area or one little park. And sometimes that lat long can be deceptive. So let's open up another browser window and Google or search whatever your search engine of choice is, the Agua Fria National Monument. And we'll see that the Agua Fria National Monument is managed by the Bureau of Land Management, and it's a big area. And excuse my zooming in and out because I'm trying to get the boundary markers to show on this map. And again, these red markers show that it's a big area. So you could be anywhere from Black Canyon on the south to halfway to Flagstaff on the north and still be in the Agua Fria National Monument. Something to keep in mind.
This is a good time to ask you all to like and subscribe if any of my efforts have helped you personally, or you think something I am conveying, if only the courage to try, will help you or another ham in the future. As well, drop a comment below to guide me along the way, correct something I put out there in the past, or just start a friendly conversation that will help any ham.
And again, thank you to subscribers who keep providing inspiration. Hey guys, I'm going to wrap this video up for today. Thanks for listening. Please come by for future videos in which I'll examine more aspects of POTA, including hunting POTA for those of you that don't want to make that trek out to the park. So thanks again for coming by. And again, these videos are not for those of you that are seasoned pros, but for those that just don't know how and want a little bit more explanation.